If there are allegations of impropriety, or if there are improprieties, or if an officer breaks the law, we will investigate it.
Did a Buffalo police officer know an addict was using heroin during a shooting of a short film about the opioid epidemic? Good evening, everyone. Jackie is off tonight. Allegations have surfaced that the officer was right outside the door.
The officer is now under investigation. The film Blink of an Eye was shot in the Queen City earlier this year. News 4's Dave Graber joins us live with the latest on this case. Dave?
Yeah, the internal investigation being conducted by police is still in its early stages, and it's being watched closely by the district attorney in Erie County, John Flynn. Meanwhile, the attorney for the man at the center of this entire case wants Flynn to dismiss the charges against his client because of all that's happened since his arrest. Buffalo police say they knew nothing about any illegal activity, and they're concerned now that the intention of this film is being overshadowed by its controversy.
I'm hearing of more people dying and more people dying in our community.
Early this year, as director Greg Robbins of Amherst worked the early stages of Blink of an Eye, a short film about the region's opiate epidemic, he asked for the help of Buffalo police.
Right from the get-go, this was a scripted movie. This was a movie using actors.
But Robbins wanted more. He wanted reality. And he found it in this man, Robert Sagliani, an addict who agreed to buy and use drugs for the film, according to Sagliani's attorney, Mark Sacha. Sagliani had just been arrested for drug possession by BPD officer Liz Baker, who was also asked to help out on the film.
They needed realism. They needed real addicts. And she said that if he did that, she would help him with his charges.
Buffalo police say the only promise made to Sagliani was to get him the treatment he needed. A few months later, film crews showed up to shoot this scene in a restaurant bathroom at Main Place Mall. Sacha says those are real drugs. And at one point, the film crew and Sagliani's mother, who were all in the bathroom with him, tell him to stop before he jabs the drug-filled needle in his arm.
Dude, don't do it, man.
Pictures provided to News 4 earlier today show Baker was at the restaurant, but Buffalo police deny that she was present for anything illegal.
She was asked to help find a location for them to shoot. She talked to the people at the restaurant. They agreed to let them have a back corner. They set up equipment. Liz went right back out on Main Street to do her patrolling. That's
just what Erie County DA John Flynn wants to find out.
The allegations are that they were filming part of this movie in the Main Place Mall, in an establishment at the Main Place Mall, and that there was, again, the allegations allegedly some type of activity occurring in the bathroom of this establishment in the Main Place Mall. If a police officer knew that was going on and knew that there were live drugs, real paraphernalia there, and the police officer just kind of turned a blind eye to it, that police officer shouldn't be a police officer.
Now, Flynn said today that he has no intention of dismissing the charges against Sagliani. Buffalo police also point out that in the film, there's a part where Robert Sagliani is talking directly to the camera, standing outside the court building. He's actually thanking police for their help to get him into treatment, and he's been clean ever since for the last couple of months. Police say a man who was coerced likely wouldn't be thanking anyone for forcing them into doing anything. Reporting live in the studio, Dave Graber, News 4 at 6.